Hi, I'm Kate Dickson. I'm Senior Mining and Resources Officer at Trade and Investment Queensland. I'm here with
Roger Cressey.
And I'm going to ask Roger some questions about his project. Roger, working for Trade and Investment Queensland, I get to talk to lots of investors about different projects within Queensland, and I was just wondering if you could just give me a 30-second pitch on what I could tell people about what you got going on.
All right, thanks, Kate. I'm Roger Cressey. I'm the CEO at Armour Energy. Armour Energy has a few projects. Our core project, exploration and production project, we call it Kincora, and it's south of Roma. We currently produce gas and sell that to the East Coast domestic market. We also produce oil, condensate and LPG and deliver that to the East Coast market as well. Our other projects in North Queensland and the Northern Territory are a shale gas exploration play, and we also have an interest in a Uganda oil exploration project, and we have acreage in Victoria in joint venture with Lakes Oil, where one day we hope to be able to do further exploration for gas down there as well.
Okay. Can you tell us a bit about your management team?
Our management team's got significant oil and gas experience. I've been working in oil and gas for about 30 years. Prior to joining Armour, most of my experience was in the downstream patch in terms of pipelines and processing. Our CFO has been working in oil and gas for all of his career. He's got offshore experience, as have I, and he brings a wealth of knowledge from around Australia and offshore into our business. Our COO, Nathan Rayner, he's got extensive experience again in Australia and offshore in oil and gas. And Luke Titus, our Chief Geologist, he hails from the US. He's been in Australia for quite some time now, but he brings a wealth of experience from that part of the world and applies some interesting and identifies great opportunities for us here in Australia.
Mm-hmm. So for any investors out there listening and watching, what's on the table?
Well, at the moment, one of our key assets, the assets that the company was actually founded on and listed in 2012, is our North Australian shale gas play. In North Queensland and the Northern Territory, we have 33 million contiguous acres of exploration acreage. We're looking for a joint venture farming partner to come in and work with us to take that exploration project forward. It's a huge opportunity, it's a great opportunity.
Yeah. And finally, and because I'm completely biased, tell me how great it is to have a resource project in Queensland.
Well, you got the maroon vest on, and it's Wednesday, so there's a state of origin. Last week we came to the fore in the state of origin, so our football resources are great. Yeah. In terms of underground resources, it is great to be working in Queensland. We find Queensland in Australia to be the best place to be working. We're well supported by the Queensland Government. We've picked up some acreage over the tenders that were issued at the back end of last year and during the course of last year, and more recently, very recently, in joint venture with APLNG, we've picked up an interest in the Sykes CSG block. So we're spreading, we're diversifying, and we appreciate the Queensland Government working positively to grow our industry.
Fantastic. Thanks very much, Roger.
Thank you.